The storage permission has been restricted. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve if the storage permission has been restricted, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're trying to open a certain game or a certain app, it says a storage permission has been restricted. Normally you'll find the option to unrestricted allow it right from the app itself. So whenever you get the pop-up, you might want to look for the allow button or the OK button over there to allow it. But in case you missed it and then the app or the game is not working, to manually do it, open the settings application on your Android device, then just go to the option here known as apps and then tap on it. Now first of all, just tap the three dots option located at the top right and then go to special access. Once you go to special access, one of the access it finds here is called all files access. So this is the access that we want to allow. Tap on all files access and then just turn on the toggle next to the app or the game on which you want to allow the access. Now this really depends upon the game or the app that you're looking. Once you have done that, come back to the apps page, select the game or the app on which you want to allow the permission again, and once you have done that, go to permissions from there. Now here you will be able to see a list of permissions, but storage access does not come in the name of storage. Your photos and videos, they come from your storage, so you have to allow that access. Your music and audio, they come from your storage again, so you have to allow that access. So once you have done that, you should be able to solve the restricted storage permission issue. This way you should be able to actually solve the storage permission has been restricted. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.